Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just picking up around the house and doing a little bit of cleaning, and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. I went to Walmart this morning while Cooper was in his therapy, and so I had some stuff to put away. I don't normally go to Walmart. Well, normally I don't even go in store, but I really don't usually make it in the store before 10 a.m. And I did this day, and they had so many baked goods marked down in the refrigerated section by the milk. I was so surprised. So apparently that's how you can get all the good deals on all the baked goods. So I bought some cookies, which I don't normally do, and some muffins and some French bread that I already stuck in the freezer, and some things like that. So I'm just getting things put away and putting up some leftovers from lunch and some shredded cheese. We had cheese quesadillas, but didn't use it all, so I try not to waste any of that kind of stuff. And just picking up. You're supposed to be taking a nap.
Mama, this.
Yeah, there's Mama. I know, I got the camera. Look. You're supposed to be taking a nap. Why are you taking a nap? Those are the cookies, but we're not going to have any cookies right now. That's Mama's camera. Mama's camera. Why are you not taking a nap? Are you sleepy? You were yawning on the way home today.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama. Say Mama.
Yeah. All right, give me a kiss. Tell me night-night. I'm going to take you back to your room.
Say Mama.
Can I have a kiss? All right, come on.
No.
Yes.
No.
I almost didn't leave that in there, but I decided to because that's real life. I am thankful that Sean is home today, and so he's actually in there with Cooper right now, and Watson was taking a nap at his crib in my room. But Cooper has rough naps. He hasn't been sleeping well in general lately, and so it's pretty normal for him to wake up a few times during his nap and come out and see what's going on and then go back and continue his nap. He's just so cute and sweet, I couldn't not leave it in. Well, I didn't run the dishwasher last night when I was going to bed like I usually do because I decided to take a shower before I went to bed, and I forgot to run it before I took Cooper to therapy this morning. We barely had time to make it out the door, and I wasn't sure if Sean ran it while we were gone and I was taking Cooper to therapy, so I didn't want to unload dishes into my cupboards if I wasn't sure if they were clean or not. So I texted him and asked him if they were clean. He was in that room with Cooper working on trying to get him to nap. He didn't text me back, so I decided to just go ahead and rinse the dishes and pile them up in one side of the sink, and when I find out if the dishwasher is clean or not, I will either run it or unload it and then put all the rinsed dishes in. And what I'm rinsing right now, I started a sourdough starter over the summer and I didn't keep up with it, and it went bad in the fridge. Really bad. It was pushed in the back of the fridge for a while, and then I got it out and looked at it, and it was really disgusting. So I was letting that get extra rinsed with some really hot water to try to get all the nasty out of that bowl. And the living room, just picking up some toys in here. Normally it's way messier in here, but since Cooper had therapy this morning and Watson isn't really the one that makes a mess, it wasn't too bad. And then I'm just picking up the laundry room, and I wish these cupboards had doors on them, but they don't. And I should probably just buy some baskets and make it look pretty, but I just haven't. It's the laundry room, so no one really goes in there but me. So it just looks like a mess. But I'm about to start some laundry. I put vinegar as the fabric softener whenever I wash the cloth diapers. We do partially do cloth diapers now. For a few months, several months now, I guess, since the summer we've been doing it. For both the boys, whenever we're home, we do disposables at bedtime and when we're out, and then cloth when the rest of the time during the day when we're at home. So I was just getting that started on their first load, and then folding some sheets. I decided I'm going to change my sheets today, so I'm not going to fold the gray ones because those are the ones I'm going to put on the bed, so there's no point in folding them when this afternoon I'm going to put them on the bed anyway. But I did fold the other set and just kind of picked up in here, and pretty much that was the end of nap time. I got started a little late. I think I did stop at one point in this video and I ate a salad, so that kind of cut into nap time. And then oh yes, I did run my robot vacuum, which my dad got me for Christmas, and I love it. It is awesome. It goes around and sweeps the floor for me. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye guys.